and here's the tape. Looks like of a long team spider, and it'll run on the 36 week of 2001.
Coming to theaters.
Following previous disaster of all English Motion Picture Association America.
He's suave, debonair,
so courageous.
the epitome of cool.
You rule.
His name is Zoolander. Derek Zoolander.
He's almost too good looking.
International male supermodel.
The style and the hair, you know, it's almost like the new afro for the white man.
But behind those eyes is a highly trained man of action. You rock, and perhaps the world's only hope of stopping a sinister assassination plot.
The fashion industry has been behind every major political assassination over the last 200 years. And behind every hit, a male model.
So why male models?
They do as they're told.
That is not true.
Yes, it is, Derek.
Okay.
Ben Stiller. Owen Wilson.
They're breakdance fighting. Taste my pain!
Christine Taylor.
When I was in 7th grade, I became bulimic. You can read minds.
Oh, snap!
This fall, Zoolander.
Must be eliminated.
They must use all their skills.
If I can create a basic disguise for us with this professional makeup kit, we may just be able to sneak it undetected.
Surprise! Did you find the files? They're in the computer.
They're in the computer?
To outsmart the most dangerous organization on the planet.
You got 30 years worth of files right here in this computer that are gonna bring you down.
Oh no.
Where'd all the files go?
And still find time to help the children.
I give you the Derek Zoolander Center for Kids Who Can't Read Good.
What is this?
A center for ants.
How can children learn how to read if they can't even fit inside the building?
Zoolander.
In theaters, September 28th.
Now in theaters.
Following previous disaster of all English Motion Picture Association America.
In a city of 8 million people, what are the odds that the perfect two will meet?
What are you running off to?
I got a date tonight.
Good for you. You got right back out there, huh, kid?
Nothing heals a broken heart like a brand new booty.
Tommy is dating Maria.
I cannot imagine my 6th grade teacher going out on dates, getting drunk, taking guys home.
Why?
I don't know, maybe because she was a nun.
Who's divorced from Benjamin.
I have gained 15 pounds since the divorce. 15. Okay?
Yes.
I think we should consider getting back together if for no other reason than my health.
Who's stuck on Ashley.
I'm really a savage.
I know enough savages already.
Yeah, but I'm a savage with a very sweet side.
Who's just met Griffin.
So is this your father?
No, this is Griffin, my dentist.
How did you end up with this guy that you're with anyway?
Well, he was just sitting in the park one day by school.
Are you a model?
Who's married to Annie.
Flowers, what's the occasion?
I need an occasion to buy flowers for my wife.
Usually.
Who's perfect for Tommy.
So, are you from New York originally?
Yeah, Queens.
That's not really New York, is it?
Confused?
What do you think?
No. Yes and no.
So are they.
Did I screw it up somehow?
Is everything all right?
Is there something wrong?
If there's something wrong, you should talk to me.
You stay with me.
me a couple weeks, I'd get your head all straightened out.
Edward Burns, Rosario Dawson, Heather Graham, David Krumholtz, Brittany Murphy, Stanley Tucci, Dennis Farina.
Now take a look at me, for example, Tommy. Tommy, take a look at me, baby.
No, you're an animal.
I'm an animal.
In a new movie about falling down.
Are you having an affair?
Why would you ever even think that I would do such a thing?
Picking yourself up
Are you flirting with me?
I was hoping it was kind of obvious, but I guess I'm not doing that good a job.
and getting on with the business of life.
If you divorce this guy, you call me that day, I'll jump on a plane no matter where I am in the country. I'll fly back here, I'll take you out that night.
Sidewalks of New York.
I wanted to know if you would go to dinner with me on Saturday night.
That'd be nice.
Following previous after launches of Motion Picture Association America.
Now, on DVD.
Mom always said there's an awful lot you can tell about a person by their shoes. I've worn lots of shoes. Mama said they'd take me anywhere.
Of all the places Forrest Gump has been, there's one place he hasn't. On DVD.
Run, Forrest, run!
Now, one of the most beloved motion pictures of all time is available on DVD for the first time. The Forrest Gump Special Collector's Edition.
My name's Forrest Gump. People call me Forrest Gump.
This 2-disc set features the Academy Award-winning film, digitally remastered to high definition, plus full-length commentaries with the filmmakers. The special features disc includes over 2 hours of extraordinary bonus materials, including Through the Eyes of Forrest Gump, a documentary on the making of the movie, and a shot-by-shot expose on 11 of the film's Oscar-winning special effects, including 2 never-before-seen sequences, plus 3 behind-the-scenes featurettes on the makeup, sound, and art direction of Forrest Gump, and never-before-seen screen tests, photo gallery, and more.
What's my destiny, Mom?
You're gonna have to figure that out for yourself.
Winner of 6 Academy Awards, including Best Director, Best Actor, and Best Picture.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
The Forrest Gump Special Collector's Edition. Coming home for the first time on DVD. Buy it today.
Following previous after launches of Motion Picture Association America.
The 3 most anticipated movies of all time are coming to DVD.
Fredo, you're my older brother, and I love you. But don't ever take sides with anyone against the family again.
The Godfather DVD Collection. Nominated for 29 Academy Awards and winner of 9, these masterpieces remain 3 of the most memorable motion pictures in cinematic history. On October 9th, these legendary films will be available on DVD for the first time in The Godfather DVD Collection. This extraordinary 5-disc widescreen collection includes all 3 films, The Godfather Part 2, and The Godfather Part 3, each featuring a newly recorded, full-length director's commentary by Academy Award-winning director Francis Ford Coppola, plus a bonus disc with over 3 hours of insightful features.
Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
The Godfather DVD Collection. 3 epic movies plus a bonus disc with over 3 hours of special features in one extraordinary collection. Buy it on DVD. Available for the first time October 9th.
To bring you our feature presentation.
License only non-commercial Xavier Holmes. Any public performance of used car parts circuit are its owner copyright reserved. Motion Pictures Rated R. For more information, www.filmratings.com. This film is a modified Churchill version. It's in format to fit this screen.